Hi guys, if you are like me, you always receive an error. It's called this app is currently not available in your country or region. And it's very annoying because you find like an interesting app and you want to download it on your iPhone, but it doesn't allow you, like it's restricted in your country or region. Now, there is a solution for this, and this is very easy. Like I have done this and it works 100%, so you won't have this problem anymore in the future. Now what you want to do, guys, to fix this problem, you want to go to your app store. Okay, now after you go to your app store, you want to click your profile in the top right here where it says this blue profile. You want to click it. Now after that, in the top here it will say your name. You want to click on your name in the top. Now probably it will ask you to enter to sign up. You can enter your password and then this page will pop up. It will look like this. Now after you enter the password or your Apple ID, now after you enter that, it will pop, like I said, it will look like this. Now if you want to fix this problem forever, click on country and region. Okay, as you can see here, country and region, you want to click it. Now what we are going to do, we are going to change the country to United States, because United States is the best for this. Like you can download any app on App Store. You can download any app, like I said, guys. So you want to click change country and region, or region, click it. Now after that, you want to select United States. You want to keep looking here for United States. I'm going to look for, yeah, this is United States. You want to click it. Now after you click on United States, you want to click agree in the top right. Just click agree for like agree to the terms and conditions. Now after you click on agree, you want to click it again. Now after that, guys, you don't have to enter your credit card information. You can just click none. As you can see here, click none. In the PayPal it will say there none, click it. All right, now the first step is done. Now scroll down a little bit. If you want to change your name, change it. If you don't want, leave it like that. Now here you will have to type your state. Okay, what it means, state in United States, but you don't have to enter state in United States. You can enter your state in your country. Okay, for example, I will enter anything here, anything. Now where it says optional, you don't have to enter anything because it's not required, it's optional. Now where it says here state, you want to click on state, and I would select California. Just select California, and after you click on after you select California, you will have to enter the city, correct city that is in California. Okay, so cities that are in California are Los Angeles, other cities. Now you want to enter here Los Angeles. All right, now after you enter Los Angeles, where it says zip code. Okay, so the city that you entered here, you can just find the zip code on Google. You can just enter Los Angeles, next to it enter zip code, and Google is going to give you the zip code for this city. Now the zip code for Los Angeles is here 90001. Now the phone number is a tricky one. If you have like a correct phone number, enter it. If you don't have it, enter whatever you want. For example, 1 2. You probably have to enter your correct phone number. Now after you enter a phone number, it could be anything. You can click next in the top right. If it doesn't accept your phone number, you can change it. Just keep changing the numbers until they accept it. That's what I did. Now if they don't accept your state, change it again, change it, and then you can find everything on Google. Just click on California, what are cities that are in California, and they will give you all the cities and put them there. Now if they accept that, if you click next in the top right and then click done, if they accept that you are fine. Now you can go and download any app you want on App Store. Hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, please drop a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Leave a like and leave a comment below. Let me know if this works.